Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use OCO orders on Bitget. First, go to the Bitget website and make sure you're logged in. Then, click on Trade from the top menu. Now, go to Spot and choose a trading pair like BTC or USDT. On the left side of the trading panel, click on the order type and select OCO from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to enter two sets of values, the limit price, which is the price you want to buy or sell at, and the trigger price, which is the price that triggers your stop limit order. Then, enter the order price, which is the price at which the stop limit order will be executed once triggered. Next, enter the quantity of the asset you want to trade. Finally, click on BTC or sell BTC depending on your order. The OCO, when cancels, the other order is now placed, and when one part of the order is filled, the other is automatically cancelled. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.